Good morning, students. Now we are in the question number 4, exercise 14.3, question number 3. In the previous video, we have seen the two questions, question number 1 and question number 2. In the first question and second question, we have seen the frequency was given, and to find out the cumulative frequency, we have seen the method to how to get the cumulative frequency from the frequency. But here in this question, it is kind of a different question. A life insurance agent found the following data of ages 100 policyholder. Calculate the median age of the policies which are only given to the having age more than 18 years and below 60 years. So ये policies इन लोगों को दी है जिनकी एज 18 above है और 60 below है, correct? And here it is given below 20 years, below 25. So सबसे पहली बात to identify, it is not given in the question that this is a cumulative frequency, but how to identify that the given thing is a cumulative frequency? To identify that, the first thing is this, ये below 20, below 25 दिया हुआ है, correct? So below 20 this 2, below 25 this 6, below 25 में ये 20 भी आ गया है, then below 30 this 25 also comes, below 35. So that means this is cumulative frequency. This is the first thing. The second thing is, in the previous video I have told you that the summation of the frequency, that is this column, the summation of that is always given in the question 100. Yes, this is already given in the question, that is the summation. And with that I told you that cumulative frequency की जो last term होती है वो भी ये और वो दोनों ही same होती है. Remember this, we have discussed this. So these two are same, correct? 100. So ये भी एक तरीका है आइडेंटिफाई करने का. So this is the cumulative frequency. Now we have done. But now what we have to do? We have to see that the ages in years below 20, below 25, below 30, and so on. This we have to make it in the class interval pattern, correct? So to prepare that, we have to do like this. Now see, they said age below 18. So below 18 बोला है तो हमको 18 के बाद ही लेना है at this discussion. So now as they have told us that that ages should be below 18, sorry, above 18 and below 60. So above 18, below 16 के लिए हमको group बनाने पड़ेंगे. We have to prepare a class interval. So how to prepare a class interval? See, 20 is there. Below 20, that means 18 से ऊपर और 20 से कम, below 18. So in that way we can prepare 18 to 20. But this will differ the class interval by C. Just below to 25, this we can prepare now 20 तक के तो हो गया. Now below 25, that means 20 to 25. Then 25 to 30. Then 30 to 35. And 35 to 40. 40 to 45. 45 to 50. 50 to 55 and 55 to 60, correct? These all are of 5 differences, and this is of only 2 difference. So what we'll do, we can just take this as also 15 to 20, because the cumulative frequency is given कि 15 to 20 के age में 2 है. वैसे भी इसका कोई मैटर नहीं पड़ेगा, we will it will not affect anymore, but we can write 15 to 20, 20 to 25 and so on. Since here we have taken ages above 18 only, so that will not matter a lot. Anyways, so now we have prepared the ages. Now we have to find out the frequency. I have told you already how to get the frequency. See, if cumulative frequency you have to find out, what we are doing in the frequency, we were adding this 2 plus 6 and then so on, correct? In getting the frequency from cumulative frequency, what we are going to do, we will write cumulative frequency as this 2 as it is, and then from the bottom we are going to subtract the above term. 6 minus 2, that is 4. Then 24 minus 6, that is 18. Then 45 minus 24, that is 21. Then 78 minus 45, that will be 33. Then 92 minus 89, that is 4. 3. Then 98 to 92, that is 6. Just make sure that it is in a particular line. Okay, 92 minus 89, that is 3. 98 minus 92, that is 6. 100 minus 98, that is 2. Somewhere something I missed out. We'll just check it. This is there, this is there. We have to make the corrections because that is not in a particular line, so I guess I have. I will just again do it. Now it will be very clear to me. This is the culprit. So this is 45. This is 78. This is 89. It's 92. This is 98, and this is 100. So now we can calculate it very properly. 2, 6 minus 2, that is 4. 24 minus 6, that is 18. 45 minus 24, that is 21. 78 minus 45, that is 33. 89 minus 78, that will be 11, I guess. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. 92 minus it is 3. This is 6, and this is 2. Now see, as I told you also that these two things are equal. And one more thing, to identify cumulative frequency दी है कि नहीं, आप अगर इसका addition करेंगे तो you will not get the addition 100. Here in the question 100 policyholder is given. This is always the summation of the frequency. ठीक है. और अगर ये हमको पता है कि ये हमको पता नहीं कि cumulative frequency की frequency, तो how we are going to identify? ये हम देखेंगे कि इसका addition 100 आती है क्या. But no, the addition of obviously not. This is 100. यही अकेला 100 है, तो 100 के addition कैसे रहेंगे इनकी? So from that also we can identify whether it is a cumulative frequency or not. So now we have done. We have just made the things clear. Now we can go for the formula, and then we can find out the median. So now to get median is equals to the formula is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon frequency into H. What is n by 2? N is already given, that is 100 upon 2, that is equals to 50. Now to identify the median class, 50 मतलब 50 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर चाहिए. So we will see in the, yes, 50 से थोड़ा ऊपर, that is 78. So this will be our median class. Which one? This one. This complete is your median class. And what is the lower limit for this? This will be the value of lower limit. This will be called as the frequency, and this will be called as cumulative frequency. Correct? So now we got the values. We'll put up the values into the formula, and then we will try to find out the answer. So L, that is 35 plus n by 2, that is 50 minus cumulative frequency, that is 45 upon frequency, that is 33, and then multiplied by H. What is the class size? Class size we have taken 5, so that will be 5. So this will give you 35 plus 50 minus 45, that is 5 upon 33 into 5. So 35 plus, you can calculate this, 5 by 33, this can be calculated as 165, that means 5, so approximately 0.15 into 5. So now we can calculate it easily. 35 plus 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5, 6 7, 5 0 is 0. So this will be 35.75 approximately will be the median. So in this way we can find out the median, and this is the answer. Thank you.